Animal stem cells are nature's hidden heroes. When you get a small cut, they spring into action, working tirelessly beneath the surface to regenerate and restore your skin. When an injury occurs, alarm signals activate stem cells, which rush to transform into the skin cells needed to repair the damage. These stem cells thrive in a nurturing space called the stem cell niche, filled with nutrients and growth factors that keep them healthy and ready for action. Growth factors act as guides, telling stem cells when to divide and transform, ensuring a precise healing process. Not only do stem cells heal, but they also defend against infections, making them ultimate protectors of your skin. Thanks to their remarkable abilities, your skin can heal and regain its strength, maintaining its protective barrier. Subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of your body.